I'm here with Chris to find out a little bit more about Cloud Foundry and what it does. So Chris, take it away.
Well, yes, so Cloud Foundry is a platform as a service offering that makes it very easy and fast for Java developers to deploy their applications on clouds such as Amazon EC2, Amazon's Elastic Compute Cloud. So literally with a few clicks of the mouse, you can upload your Java web application and any SQL scripts that are required to configure the database, populate it with reference data, and then deploy it on EC2. And once it's there, Cloud Foundry will monitor and manage your application. So if there's a failure of some kind, Cloud Foundry will automatically recover from that failure. Or if the load on the application goes up, we will automatically launch new servers. Conversely, if the load drops and the servers are idle, we'll start turning them off to save you money. So in other words, we take care of keeping your application up and running and providing a good response to the users.
So how have you been seeing customers or end users success with this so far?
Yeah, so since Spring Source Cloud Foundry was announced back in August, I think it was, it's been a pretty wild ride, and it's seen a tremendous uptake in usage of Cloud Foundry. But even before that, one really interesting success story for Cloud Foundry was this project that I call Beer on the Cloud. So there was a digital media agency in New York that used Cloud Foundry to deploy the Java application. It's actually a Grails application for a beer marketing campaign. And the interesting thing about that was that it actually ran during football season. So they only needed the compute resources for the 6 months or however long the football season was. So that was a good fit for the cloud. Plus, it had a very spiky load during the week. There wasn't much traffic. They just needed one server. Whereas the weekends, when the commercials and other marketing activities were driving people to the website, they needed quite a few servers. And so with EC2 and Cloud Foundry, they were automatically able to adjust the load, just adjust the capacity of their system to meet the load. And for them, so it saved them a lot of money, and also it enabled the developers to deploy their app without help from a sysadmin. So it's a big success for them.
That's great. So if somebody out there wanted to learn more about Cloud Foundry, test it for themselves, where should they go?
Well, yeah, so you can just go to cloudfoundry.com, enter your email address, then you'll get an invitation, and you can sign up and start using it.
Well, great. Chris, thanks for your time, and just a little plug, Chris Richardson will be at Emerging Technologies for the Enterprise coming in April 2010.
Yeah, and I'm looking forward to it. So
Enjoy
thanks.
the rest of the conference.
Thank you.
Thanks.